Já é dono das técnicas. Eu sou Batista Miranda. Croque puia. Chimalho. Irmãozinhos. Vamos nessa. Vem. Vem dançar com o duro. Vem.
Yes, my people, we got another vlog going on right now. Obviously, I'm with my beautiful lady Kiki. You get me? Listen, I've got a whole new vlog for you lot. I'm going Portugal, and this is the day before. So right now, I'm just getting my hair done. As you can see, straight studio, as per usual. You know how it's looking. Yeah, let's get around the side. Look, my girlfriend's even gonna do it for me. Yeah, so if you want your dress done, come see Straight Studio. Obviously, I'm getting my hair done right now. I'm gonna show you lot the rest of the process. Yeah? Tune in. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Got my hair done. Look, oh, looking all sweet. How dare she? How dare she? How dare she? Look at the woman. How dare she? Huh? Wow, how dare she? How dare she? How dare she? But yeah, that's the hair done. This day is done. We're gonna go into the next day. Flight day.
Yeah, man. But to take your beach. No, joking.
Portugal. They're not ready. Portugal. 224. 24.
24. See you lot soon.
Yeah. Right now, walking through duty free. Yeah, I'm taking my hair out, man. I'm taking my hair out quickly. But yeah, I got my boy Ives. Yeah. Outside. Read the sentence then. Yeah. On the shuttle, matching the green with the hat. Yo. Yeah. Got his suitcase. The crepes, them, oi, go on, give him a fit check, go on quickly. Yeah. A bit of the tatty show, a bit of artwork, yo. What these ones? Oh, these ones are naughty.
These ones are naughty 40.
Naughty 40, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we're on a shuttle right now, getting ready to move. You know what's going on. London, we won't miss you. No, your boy just touched down in their place. Yeah, with the aeroplane in the back. You get me? We were just walking right now.
Sorry for any girl I spoke to. My roster's been clear.
It's finished.
It's finished.
I love my girlfriend, and I'm here in Portugal right now. I'm home. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna talk to the locals. You get me? Yo, what's going on? Bom dia, tia.
Ah?
Bom dia.
Olá, bom dia. Estamos na Falfosa e vamos arranjar um automóvel para o meu sobrinho andar.
Aham.
Primeiro
Assim
dia
mesmo.
de férias.
Primeiro dia de férias.
Vamos embora.
Primeiro dia de férias. Primeiro dia de férias. Let's go. You see the cactuses? You don't see this in the UK's though. Got some cactuses there, yeah. Look at the scenes them. Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi, Di Maria, pa. Yeah, show them what you got on your feet, then. Yeah. All right then.
This one's called Picnic with the Miss.
Picnic with the missus, eh? Picnic with the missus, eh? But yeah, listen.
Show them what you got on, blood.
You can show them a little something.
Show them.
Wrong ways too.
Oh shit, yeah. Go on.
Obviously, man, got the little 4 AM.
Yeah?
South Street.
4 AM.
Got the boss on the shorts, them.
You get me? With the fours on.
The olive fours.
The olivey.
Little drip nation.
Drip nation.
Yo. Serious.
Serious, Johnny's.
But yeah, man. Quick update, my people. Obviously, we've come here. We've forgotten a few things, like ID and that. But obviously, we're gonna get a car. Either today, tomorrow, but we're gonna be in a whip. Don't watch that. Obviously, got my boy Ivan here.
Folks, we're gonna be in the car, man.
In the car, man. We're about to go pick up some hash and shit.
Hey, you don't know the hash.
We're about to go grab some hasharini.
Hasharini.
Yeah.
outside.
Outside. But yeah, man. Listen, we're gonna go get some breakfast. We haven't even eaten yet. Haven't eaten anything. We're at the airport right now.
It's not even 9:30.
9:30. It's not even 9:30. And we're waiting for the cab right now. Let me show you the cab. Let's see how far the cab's saying. What's the cab saying? He's nearly here. What you got there? Yeah. Vida boa. Ivan.
Yeah.
¿Qué pasa, hermano? What's going on? What's going on? Come on, you know what's going on. Paufosa. Yo, if you know about this cereal, then you know. I ain't really gotta explain too much. Golden Grahams. Golden Grahams. Nesh, tu. Now we're just gonna do a little walk through for boxes. What you got there?
Pig.
Show me what the pig does. What? This guy's loving it. If you know me, you know this is one of my favorite crisps in the UK, but it's not called this, it's called Walkers in the UK, but over here it's called Lay's. Yeah? T fucking T. My guy over here, he gets the ruffles. Yeah? That's his thing. Now the Cheetos are fucking leng. I back these too. Yeah?
One set, next one, give me a set.
Bare selections, you know. Look at all the selection them.
One set. What one do you want?
What's that? This one looks dry though, I can't even lie. This looks
Friday
really.
one, nothing.
Yeah, man.
In a minute, one set.
We're taking some snacks to the beach. Gonna have a cocktail on the beach. Might even do a jet ski today. You know, might even get jet skiing today, you know. But I don't know how I'm gonna record on my camera. If I can't record on my camera, then I will be recording on my iPhone. Don't really see this in the UK though.
Oh, nice.
Like, why they got this fridge? This is cold still. You got their little fridge. Keep it refrigerated. The Monster Energy. This is a nitty drink. I can never drink that. Do I look like a biscuit? No. Monster Energy. You're joking. Boss is going Fed Station.
I'll go to this.
What am I in right now? A Fed Station, bro. What's going on? Right now we're just going to the gym with Mr. Igor, the big boss, 6'1". 6'1". Yeah. 5'8". It's mad. Yeah, you got your Olympic thing going on. Got the gymnasium. 3 fun facts about yourself, brother. No stress, go on, do your thing.
Now to rap a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm into cars.
Yeah, oh hey, vehicles.
And
One more, last one, brother.
people think I'm some little cut guy. I'm actually a PE teacher.
He's a PE teacher, lovely. Now let's go.
Three fun facts about myself. I like to be punctual.
Oh mate,
I
that
like
one
to be on time.
was.
I like to work out. I love my woman. And I love life, bro.
Broski's got in size 19s, bro. Broski's got a size.
phone, your phone, your phone. Oh my god! Bruh.
Give them a backdrop if you want. Front row.
Found out in that bull. Hey.
He said your turn.
He said you're not allowed.
Who?
Him. Why are we not allowed?
What is this?
Bro, really?
Yo, this heat. This heat ain't a joke. I can't even open my eyes, bro. This is crazy. Right now it's like 35, 36. Oh, it's still early as well, man. Flipping out, bro. But yeah, right now we just finished gym. Yeah. Come on. Done.
We're done.
We're done. Now what we gotta do?
Beach.
Beach. Sip a cocktailers on the beach. Yeah. Look at the chest though.
It said, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean,
Hey. Como é que tá a vida? Como é que tá a vida? What's going on?
Vida é fácil.
A vida é fácil, yeah? Where about you? What's going on?
A vida trabalha. This is your reward.
Yeah? This is your reward. Work hard and go on the beach and go and relax. Go and get a drink. Get a caipirinha. Yeah?
Life is not for working. Work to live. What is it again? Shit, I said it wrong. I said you live to, no, you work to live. You
This
don't
guy's
work to
best. Mama's best. But yeah, man. Live life, man. On the beach right now, you hear the beats in the background, all the and that. Come on, stop playing with me.
Life is for living.
Yeah, me, your boy Selmo Life. Where am I right now? I'm on the beach.
On the beach.
Tô na praia. Huh? Don't you in karaoke? What? Are you mad? Got my boy Ives here. What's going on?
Nice for living.
Show them, show them, show them. On the beach right now. Get me. Live oh. You said you're getting in the water?
A little piece.
Yeah, little toe dip. You might get a little toe dip from me, you don't know. Let's see. Let's see what's going on. Hey, I see if I come down for this one still, you get me?
Go on, my boy.
Hey, yeah!
Hey!
Saying, what's Portugal saying out of 10 so far, man?
Speechless. Hey, what's the bag though?
What's that bag though? Look, look, look. You know man's forgetful, man. Gotta pre the bag, you get me?
That galley bending over.
Not me though.
It's bending over.
Hey, his man is bamboozled.
Amazing.
Bamboozled. Abo, what's going on? Uma jalto, uma jalto. Igor, Yana. Quem é mais alto? Igor! Oh, mesma altura. A mesma altura, mesma altura, mesma altura. So, listen, my people, all I done was dip my toe in the water. All I done was dip my toe in the water. Now I'm leaving. Yeah? Tomorrow, you'll see me in the water. You get me?
Hey.
Look at my face.
You need ID now?
I don't think so. What are you saying? Just leaving the beach right now.
Leaving the beach, eh?
Yo, craziness. But yeah, leaving the beach. Now we're going to a motive. So now you're gonna stay tuned for the motive. As I said, if the camera's not there, then my iPhone. Peace out. Yes, my people. You see where we're at now? this is where I grew up. So I'm gonna take, it's a little insight for you lot to see how I came up. Let's go. Obviously right now, you got the car here, yeah? Little safe space, gated community. Over here you got your plants. This never used to be here, by the way. This never used to be here. This is my nephew Nixon, you get me? Big Neff Nix, yeah? Yeah, alright.
The famous one.
This here never used to be here. This was just like a big space. Now they've turned it into a barbecue-ish type of. They've even got the, yeah? Quickly. And by the way, this place used to be severely damaged. Like it wasn't that, they've upgraded. It looks better now. Looks way better. In here, this is my auntie's apartment. But I'll show you guys later. In there, we've got, actually no, we're gonna go here first. We've got some seated areas. Yeah, I'm coming.
Go on, Nixon, come.
By the way,
Come, Nixon, come.
around here there's a lot of cocoa beans as well. My nan used to pick up cocoa beans back in the day. Let me see if I can even, look. Yeah? Cocoa beans them. You see me? Faroba, yeah. What's alfaroba? Mas isso não é cocoa beans em inglês.
Não sei em inglês como é que é.
Yeah, cocoa beans.
Escreve alfaroba, vê como é que sai em inglês.
Wait, pull it.
Yeah, cocoa beans, yeah.
It's cocoa beans, isn't it? Yeah,
cocoa beans, yeah.
Yeah, it's cocoa beans. Mum's moving mad. But yeah, look, we've got this area here as well. I think they do barbecues or set up fires here as well. You get me? And yeah, man, this is where I grew up. Hard beginnings, but you know, I wasn't here for much longer. I left the UK. No, I left Portugal, went to the UK when I was 2. But yeah, this is it. Lovely people. Look at all the noise. Yeah? And over here, this wasn't here before as well. This was an open space. It was like a forest, but they boarded it off. I think some people have moved in. But yeah, this is where I grew up, people. Lovely. You've got mine complaining, cooking, cleaning,
Yeah,
nothing new. Yeah.
no relax.
No, relax, yeah.
Yeah.
Why? Relax. Go to the beach.
Do that again.
Go to the beach or something, you know what I mean?
Uncle, do that again.
You do what? Look, who's that?
Uncle,
Yeah, go on.
do this again to that dog.
You want me to scare the dog? You see your bad influence.
If I do, don't you expect me to get paid? Go keep myself in check, go get anything I do. I don't run towards the church, never felt so blessed. I don't feel no friends, before me is red. I'll be going so far.
Oh, look at the flipping melanin. Are you joking? Huh? Look at the sun. Yeah, got Aria there. What's going on? Aria's in Portugal, you know.
Hi everyone.
Yeah, she's sound. She's sound.
Hi.
You know what's going on? Beach day part 2. Get me? You know what I'm saying? I want to get in the water, but I can't right now. If I get in the water, I just want to dip my toes in there, you get me? My hair will just get untangled and if I go in the water. That's why I don't want to go in the water too tough. Yeah? You get me?
Muito seca a bola. Hey. A bola não dá, não. É muito seca.
Right now, what are we doing? Yeah? We're going on a ride called Sona. Yeah? It's not here right now, but shortly it's gonna arrive and it's gonna take me and my brethren on a fucking boat ride. So listen to this. Broski wanted to go on a banana boat ride. I didn't want to go on that one. I didn't want to, he wanted to go on a banana boat ride. This guy's mad.
You wanted to go on the
Why for that? They're gone, boy. They're gone.
There's a fucking dragon.
What's it?
They're doing it on purpose.
There it is. That's what they want on, guys.
Oh my God.
How was it? Was it bad?
I almost dropped.
His hair came out.
Não falaste com o Marco? Então não falaram. Ah, ele diz que vem cá amanhã. Oh, essa luz da céu não me é bem, pá. Oh, this is grill. Põe lá para a gente ver. This is grill. Teresa está a grelhar com a borte dela na mão. It's very nice. Uma carnica, umas bifanas e umas entremeadas. Nice. Kiki, look. Look, Kiki.
What?
Achamos, me aqui.
Happy birthday, Tia.
Happy birthday to
you. Happy birthday to you. Hey, happy birthday, dear Lisa. Happy birthday to you.
Portuguese, how to say it?
Parabéns a você. Nessa data querida. Muita felicidade. Muitos anos de vida.
Hoje é dia de festa.
Yes. Yes, avó. Avó. Dylan. O que se passa, Dylan? You know what's going on? I'm not getting in there though. I'm not getting in there today, right now. Hey, we're going to the beach again. You know what's going on. These are just here having fun, family settings. You get me? PT living. Olá,
hoje é dia do meu aniversário.
Yeah.
Nós estamos aqui, estamos em pleno.
Dylan, Nixon.
So guys, we are here and Silver is trying to catch a lizard. Oh shit.
Cristina, anda Luís, bora. Anda Cristina. As flores da tia.
Flores da tia. Happy birthday, more life, more life. Wait, watch her now, watch her now. Watch that one, watch this one, watch that one. What? I am mad. Okay, no auntie, let's not go no. Hey, one, two step, 1, 2, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 9, and 10. Hey, vamos. What's going on?
The white tee,
Yeah.
shorts, got the dunks out again.
Normal. Where you going today?
This street.
Yeah, we're going to the strip.
You know
what's going on?
We have to tell them the Londoners are coming.
We've arrived, huh?
We've arrived.
Alright then.
Gamush.
That's a gamu.
Them.
Didn't do nothing too special today. Just gave them a little gallery department.
You get me?
Something simple for them. Some jeans to go with it. Add some rips in there. Got these J's. Listen, I've got these J's because you know I couldn't. Yeah, forget. I got these ones. I'm wearing these ones again. Yeah, but live. You get me? Yeah.
You get me? Gallery.
Live on the strip today. Live and direct. Love.
deeper than ride. It's deeper than blue. It's fully focused on driving Mercedes. Bro, see car, the two can just pay me. She ain't ratchet with it, shit.
Hello YouTube. Listen, right now there is a mad queue to get into the beach. Like, what's going on? Crazy queue. Let me even show you. Just so you know I'm not even... Yeah? Look at the queue. Look at the queue. We've got these ones in the back. Yeah, she's trying to do that Heidi. You got Nixon, and we got Ari, Brazil.
Brazil.
Alright, Neymar. Flipping hell. And then we got me behind the wheel. You get me? Boy Ivisha. Yeah? Let's maneuver. You get me? Just on the beach. This is a different beach right now. We're at the Faro beach. Tell them something. What's the holiday been saying, man?
I'm gonna see.
What was that, mate?
Oh, no, the holiday's been fucking lit, mad.
Holiday's been lit. It's been mad. This is the last day here as well. This was a more of a relaxed trip, like a family kind of trip. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the jet ski.
Have you made one yet?
Nixon, what's going on?
Nixon took the summer.
Yeah, I'm done. Are you ready? Yeah, right now I'm just enjoying the sun. Yo, don't get too dark, you know, but yeah. But yeah, right now we're gonna go. I don't know what it's called, but you're gonna see. We're about to be gliding in the water quickly. Yeah.
Uncle.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Say hello to. Hey.
Hello. Hi.
Speak to the camera, go on.
Hello. What's your name?
Yeah, man. Live.
This one's for Nixon. This one's for you, Nini.
Nixon, what are you doing? Just enjoying life? Yeah? Hurry! This one just can't swim, she's drowning. This one's in the middle.
I'm getting moved by the
Just
way.
drowning in the shallow end. That is deep. Drowning in the shallow end. And then you got me, top swimmer. You get me? You know what I was doing out there? Out there in the middle of the sea, you know what I'm saying? You know what's going on. Then we got Ivisha just chilling over there, sir.
Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit.
And then when you're done, we must clear our rubbish, because you know what I'm saying, you gotta look after the environment, you see me? Make sure everything nice and clean. Done.
Listen, don't do you.
Leaving right now. With Tio Jorge. Yes. Rodrigues.
Eu gaguejo, depois busquei, na cometa eu. O leite tombolou, tira um tombolou, me tum tom, tira um tombolou, me tum tom, tira um tombolou, me tum tom.